2018 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, remote engine start, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, center armrest, cold weather package, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.